Greetings everyone, and welcome back to Luca Sprues.
Why they call it flat Earth, I'm assuming it's because it's the colour of the Earth.
And it's a flat rather than a gloss.
Exactly. Rather than having any political connotations.
I don't think the Flat Earthers are a political organisation, are they? Because the Earth's either flat or it's round.
It's true or false, and it's been proven, I think.
Proven, you say? He looks like Chuck Norris.
I know, he does look a bit like Chuck Norris. If Chuck Norris was out in the desert.
B21.
And they're supposed to go inside the wheels. Oh
epic.
no. There we go, epic fail from Luca Sprues. That explains why the fit was so bad. Right.
Yeah, I am very pleased with the progress. So phase 3 will be the accessories.
Yes, the accessories and final weathering, hopefully.
So, we've actually shot the last couple of episodes probably, 2 weeks ago or so?
Several lifetimes.
It's been a long time, basically. So, we've had a little bit of feedback from both our suppliers and also the people who have been watching our videos. So, hopefully we'll start to get them a little bit more crisp looking.
Yeah, everyone hates them.
Yeah, I know. Everyone's been like, you suck. I haven't had a single person say you suck, get rid of the old guy, but...
Yeah, he's dragging you back.
Yeah, he's holding you back, man. No, I think it's good. I think it's good to have a mix of things, and we'll see how this series goes. With today, I've basically finished painting my Jeep. I'm moving on to the weathering stage, and then I'll be painting up the accessories, and I will be done. As for Greg, what are your plans? Because I believe you're done painting.
Well, in the main, yes, I'm done painting. I'm not happy with it, but then that's because I can't paint.
Yeah,
So,
and because you ignored my advice and just went hell for leather with an airbrush off screen.
What colour are you painting your jerry cans?
Well, I think they would have been a mix from what I've seen. Possibly some of them in the desert yellow. The recovery track I'll definitely do in desert yellow. But I may do a couple in like an olive drab colour or something like that.
I used to have a 25 gallon, no, that sounded way too much. 5 gallon jerry can for my camper van. It was like a foresty green colour. I love it. And it got like a metal floppy lid on it.
A floppy lid. Yeah, these would have been metal back then, so because plastic moulding was a bit of a new science. So
oh look, they've got straps on them.
Yeah, I know, right? We'll have to paint the straps.
Brilliant. Is that how you do it?
That's it. That's the trick. I'll just start playing a certain 80s rock song. You spin me.
Oh dear, don't do that.
You've already done it, and like 50% of your Instagram is just a video of you spinning a car around with that song playing.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh dear.
You've done it like several times.
Have I?
Yeah.
I regret that.
Yeah, I don't remember that day. I've had a few people talking to me about glues in the last few weeks in the store, and I actually haven't had a go at the Tamiya glue. I've only ever used the...
My guy looks like Osama bin Laden.
Oh my god! No, I'm starting to get, what's his face from The Dictator.
Yeah.
So Greg's accidentally made one of his crew figures Osama bin Laden. Do I keep that in? I'm going to keep that in.
I don't know. I don't know. We might even get cancelled before we even have a single follower.
At this point. So, Greg likes the Revell Contactor Professional for its smell.
Actually,
yes.
Here's a question for you.
Oh, yes.
Yes, the Revell I can't get the lid on that. Have you come across this stuff?
Ooh, I think we've got a new product.
It's not new. Smell that.
Ah. Smells like bathroom cleaner.
It smells like lemons.
Exactly. Lemon bathroom cleaner. And this is, as you say, how would you say that? Lemony?
Limonene?
Basically, it's Tamiya glue, but it's made out of a citrus extract, I believe, or something like that. So it's actually based on fruit.
All the writing's in
Japanese.
I've got no idea.
Oh, well, basically that's what that is.
It smells
It's
nice.
The smell. So it's supposed to be a pleasant odor rather than one that makes you start to slowly go dizzy. And I think it's supposed to be less toxic as well. Oh, you're going for John Wick. John Wick and Osama bin Laden driving a Jeep through the desert.
Quite the crew.
I can picture that being turned into a movie somehow. This bit will be cut.
It'll have to be, yeah, because
customer interaction. We can't have that on screen.
Well, it's not fair for them, is it? They probably don't want to be on.
Probably
Two
not.
idiots
They don't want to
building
be this week on Two Idiots Who Build Toys.
That's what we should call it. Two idiots build toys.
Well, I've already called it Teaching a Noob.
Oh yeah, true.
But we can try
you
Two
could call it,
Idiots.
You could call it someone who knows what they're doing teaching someone who is an idiot, and then we can do the reverse when I teach you how to do anything RC related.
True. I think what we need to do is have like actually a set day where we just make these videos, because
Well, it depends whether people watch them or not. And that's the other drawback.
well, we got to make them first. Otherwise, no one can watch anything that we haven't made.
Yeah.
I'm going to try using this and see how it goes. But it's kind of like I'm trying to dry brush it on.
This one's snow, soot, and rust.
Yeah, I mainly got it for the soot. Are you smelling it? What are you...
What does it look like? Is it on my face?
They say you can apply it dry and wet. So I'm sort of just applying this now with the brush down the side of the Jeep to try and get a little bit of a streaking effect, and also to soften my rust that I did. But yeah, so these are supposed to be water-based. Supposed to be. There may be an argument out there for it being lacquer.
Oh no. So I did a bit of research.
Oh, we've done a bit of research on the Tamiya lacquer debate.
Yeah, so these acrylics are actually a lacquer-based acrylic. However, the technology was developed specifically so they could be thinned with either water or solvent.
There we go.
And therefore, either is appropriate, and it's designed to be able to be used with both.
This is the boring bit where we just do shit and don't say much. Right, I'm quite happy with that. I might also give my guys a little bit of a weather with this stuff as well. Make them look a little bit sandy, and it might take the edge off the...
Would you say that newer Tamiya kits have clearer instructions than these?
To be honest, I've only looked at about 3 or so Tamiya kits in my life, and they all look pretty much the same. And I don't think the Tamiya instructions are too badly laid out. I think Airfix are probably one of the best for instructions. They're quite consistently clear, and they update them too with the vintage kits, as far as I'm aware. So even when they're re-releasing their older kits, like Tamiya does, well, pretty much all of Tamiya's ranges re-releases. There's a few new ones here and there, but again, most of them are old molds from the 1980s, like this Jeep. Okay, I've changed my mind. I'm going to paint all of my accessories off the truck. So this is probably something that would have been easier done on the sprue, but I was still debating which way to do it at the time.
I'll just put my big magazine plastic things on.
Oh, there's your glue, sir. It's looking pretty good. You've done a nice job with the panel liner on the guns, I reckon.
Oh, thanks, dude.
No. I use khaki for some other accessories to make it a little bit different. And I'm going to go for a very light flat brown on some of my other stuff.
What stuff are we looking at? Like your duffel bag.
Yeah, my duffel bag. this wooden crate. Another coat of khaki on my duffel bag.
I've got khaki on my duffel bag.
Sounds like a song. Some rapper using auto tunes can make something for me.
Got a rollie on my wrist, got khaki on my duffel bag. I don't blame you. I blame myself.
Tamiya.
Oh yeah, Tamiya.
Oh,
no,
we can't say that.
So I would like to just say, as a supplier of Revell Contact
Oh, boy.
Professional, this stuff smells so nice. I don't think that's probably what it's meant for.
I
But
don't know.
don't put that bit in.
Yeah, don't insert the nozzle.
No, not the nozzle, the whole clip.